What's up, all my YouTubers? It's Retired Life Ollie Style here again. Just doing a quick update on my Holystone HS720 drone. I had posted a video about 2 weeks ago, and a couple of you requested to do an update to see how I like it. So I'm here to go ahead and review that now, and I'll show you some of my footage and what I thought about some of the features and how they worked. And yeah, any more comments? Feel free. All right, let's get this rolling. So my first operation was to put it in orbit mode. Orbit mode, it flies about 10 to 15 feet high. It orbits around whatever object you set it to. I had set it to myself, so as you can see here, it's actually flying around me very nicely. It's easy to get into and easy to get out of. Next mode we have is the follow me mode. Follow me mode is pretty cool because you can set it to follow you, and it should follow you wherever you go. Stop when you stop, start when you stop. The only downside I found to the follow me mode, and I'll have to do some more experiments with it, is it does not keep me or you or the controller centered in the frame, which that's what I thought it was supposed to do, but it actually doesn't. Whoa, low bridge. So now I'm going to take it up, fly it out into the field. I'm going to take it up a little bit higher, kind of just get used to using the controls, moving it around, seeing how the video is. The video seems to be pretty stable. I'm trying to move the camera up and down, getting used to that. There you can see the drone shadow. Now I'm taking it way up, a little bit higher than I was pretty much comfortable with, because I thought, I'm still a beginner, I might lose it. So the drone flies nicely, responds very well at high altitudes, and this morning it was a fairly breezy day, not overly breezy, but fairly breezy. But what I've done now is I've activated the return to home mode. So the little card down there, you can see that's my car. That's where the drone took off from originally. I've hit the return to home, and it flew back over the site, and now it's kind of just hovering. It'll check, I guess it's checking with the satellites, and then it'll start to descend. This function takes a little bit of time. I kind of got a little nervous because I didn't think it was coming down, but it starts to come down. You'll actually see it start to descend a little bit. Alright, well that's it of my flight of the HS720. I'll leave you with Old Glory waving in the breeze. Enjoy the last few aerial clips, and there will be a short review at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So that was me flying the Holystone HS720 drone. What can I say about it? Wow, fantastic drone. For the money that you spend on this drone, it is a fantastic drone. It has a lot of features of the higher end drones, the more expensive drones, without the cost. This drone is a GPS drone, so it has all the features of the return to home. Once you lock onto the satellites, it will hover and keep it stable right in place where you put it. It does have a camera, as you saw in my video. I shoot in 2.7K. That's what I shot the video in. This camera can shoot in 4K. I did not shoot it in 4K because, well, I just didn't. I'm going to take it out again this weekend, and I'm going to put the camera in 4K. I use the orbit mode, I use the waypoints, and I use the follow me mode, and they all worked exactly like they were supposed to. I could not have asked for anything better, and I put it up way up high. I brought it back. I did the return to home. I tried to do as many features as I could possibly think of. I would highly recommend this drone for someone who is a beginner, or even someone who is advanced and just doesn't want to spend a lot of money. I would definitely highly recommend this drone. I have flown drones before. I had received this drone, the Holystone Chaser. It's an FP drone, smart drone. I received this drone as a gift. It's a great drone. It does fly high, but this is not a GPS drone, so you have full control over it. So if it's a windy day and the wind is pushing it, you have to actually control it and bring it back. It does have a return to home function, which is kind of difficult to get it to engage, but I did get it engaged, and it will return to home. But again, I am a beginner. I'm really getting into drones, and I purchased this HS720 as an upgrade, and I can't give it any more praise. I mean, I really can't. The only thing I would say, if you're going to purchase this drone, buy yourself a couple of extra batteries. It comes with one battery, and you do get about a 26-minute flight time out of it, depending on how you fly. I actually ended up buying 3 extra batteries because they do take a long time to recharge. They take 5 to 7 hours to recharge. That's a long time. So if you exhaust your first 2 batteries, and that'll give you about an hour's flight time, you'll have to wait almost all day to be able to go up and fly again. So I bought 3 extra, and so now I have 4. So if I go out in the morning and I decide I want to go out in the evening, well, I can do that. So yeah, so the Holystone HS720. Definitely highly recommend. I love it, and I hope Holystone comes out with another drone, maybe a drone that is not foldable, that's not portable, even though these are great to take when you travel. I'm actually looking to get maybe a sturdier drone, a bigger drone that can fight the wind more than the smaller foldable drones. Although this one does fight the wind very well. It was a breezy day. You saw that. You saw the flags waving, and it was breezy. But it does fight it very nicely. So, with that being said, that is the Holystone HS720. I will try to put a link down in the bottom so you can kind of check it out for yourself. I'm still a new YouTuber, so I have to figure that out as well. If I figure it out, I'll put the links there. If you happen to see this and the links are not there, well, I didn't figure it out. Sorry. Figure it out next time. All right, so thank you guys. Put down your comments. If you like this video, please click the like button. I would appreciate that greatly. Subscribe if you want to see more of this channel, Retired Life Ollie Style. There'll be more drone footage. There'll be more drone reviews. And again, we go out, we RV, we are Disney people, and we cruise once the cruising world gets back going again after all this COVID situation stuff. So again, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Now it's time for us to get to getting.